Welcome to episode 5, part 2.
Let's dive right into a classic biology concept we thought we knew perfectly. You know mitochondria as the cell's powerhouse, right? Well, is that famous analogy actually completely outdated? Before we answer that, let's look at how it earned the title, thanks to this amazing nanoscale rotary motor.
ATP synthase is basically two connected motors, F0 and F1. And get this, they use completely different fuels. The F0 motor uses a proton gradient to spin an axle. That rotation physically forces F1 to generate ATP. It's called the binding change mechanism. It cranks out cellular energy in 3 very specific sequential steps. Step 1, the open state. Here, ADP and phosphate slide right into the active site of the beta subunit. Next up, the loose state. The protein literally closes around those molecules so they just can't escape. Finally, the spin forces a tight state, forging high-energy bonds to pop out a brand new ATP molecule.
So a constant river of protons drives this non-stop mechanical turning. It's an absolute game changer.
But brace yourselves for a massive shift. Leading scientists actually claim that whole powerhouse analogy has expired. Enter the MIPS paradigm. Mitochondria are actually living, dynamic networks actively processing complex biological information.
So instead of a dumb generator just burning fuel, think of it as a smart biological computer processor. This incredible processor idea relies on a really fascinating 3-step information processing mechanism. It takes raw inputs and turns them into targeted biological outputs through sensing, integration, and signaling.
First up, sensing. Mitochondria constantly monitor things like nutrients, hormones, and overall energy levels.
Second, integration. They take that data, physically change shape, and interact with other cellular networks. Third, signaling. They produce targeted outputs, like metabolites or ions, to fine-tune your entire body's physiology. Crucially, this processor communicates directly with the cell nucleus, literally linking the organelle right to our DNA. Since 98% of mitochondrial proteins come from the nucleus, this constant crosstalk is absolutely vital. A drop in ATP literally sends a thermodynamic signal that completely changes how this network communicates. They dynamically change shape to represent your current energetic state, driving rapid, real-time adaptation.
So are your cells simple fuel-burning machines or a vast, highly intelligent network of biological computers?
Well, you will have to think about that. Anyway, I was Named. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything new, please subscribe to Minute Biology and like the videos.